Draw-Tite. The Pinnacle branding customer trailer hitches is now introducing a cargo securing line of premium loading ramps. Removing the need to lift heavy cargo when loading or unloading, Draw-Tite loading ramps provide a convenient and secure way to transport your equipment. Engineered to the highest standards, all Draw-Tite loading ramps are designed to make loading and unloading cargo easier. Their smooth rolling rung design with 360-degree anti-slip ribs provide enhanced traction for safer, more secure loading of your cargo. Patented self-adjusting hinged top plates create a smooth transition when moving equipment on or off the ramps. Molded top caps protect your tailgate and loading surfaces. Adjustable attachment straps secure the ramp to your vehicle while loading. And, for enhanced durability, all Draw-Tite loading ramps are welded with an aluminum rust and corrosion-resistant construction. Continuing its commitment to innovation, quality, and reliability, Draw-Tite meets your changing needs by providing loading ramps in 3 different styles: straight ramps, arch ramps, and arch centerfold ramps. Draw-Tite straight loading ramps are ideal for loading and unloading motorcycles, scooters, dirt bikes, snow throwers, generators, pressure washers, push mowers, and more. With a 13-inch width by 84-inch length, the straight loading ramp has a loading capacity of 1,250 pounds per pair. Allowing for more ground clearance on low cargo items, Draw-Tite arched loading ramps are ideal for loading and unloading ATVs, snowmobiles, lawn tractors, off-road vehicles, and more. With a 12-inch width by 90-inch length, the arched loading ramp has a loading capacity of 1,500 pounds per pair. For convenience, Draw-Tite arched centerfold loading ramps can be folded for easy storage and also allows for more ground clearance when loading or unloading low cargo items. With a 12-inch width by 90-inch length, arched centerfold loading ramps have a loading capacity of 1,500 pounds per pair. When cargo needs to be loaded or unloaded, look to Draw-Tite loading ramps for reliable performance every time. For more information on all of the great products from Draw-Tite, visit draw-tite.com. Secure it right with Draw-Tite.